In today's video, I'll show you how to fix WWE 2K19 not launching or crashing on startup problem. Let's fix it, guys. So, the first method, you need to delete the config file. To do this, open up File Explorer and go to Documents folder and open the WWE 2K19 folder and right click on the config and select the delete option. Why we doing this? Because if the game wanted to open, the config is often corrupted or contain unsupported settings. Deleting it forces WWE 2K19 to create a fresh, clean config at the next start. Just open the game and it's going to be create a new config file. And as you can see, it has been created new config file. If that doesn't work, then right click on the config and select edit in notepad. Make sure these three options are set to off and same like these options. Resolution, we just need to lower even more, guys. To do this, height set this to 720, width set this to 1280. Same thing for windowed height and width. Now windowed set this to yes, and make sure all these settings are same like mine, and check file and check save option, and it's gonna be saved in game. Just launch the game. I hope this should fix your problem. If that didn't work, then close the game, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it, select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings, scroll down and select the manage controlled folder access and make sure this control folder access is turned off. Why we doing this? Because control folder access gonna be block our game files, like writing save files, creating config files, loading shaders like that. When blocked, the game failed to launch silently with no errors. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.